Kalamkari Kanchi. All these are made with vegetable dyes. These are not printed, guys. All these are pen kalamkaris. So they're dipped in cow's milk and they take a lot of time. They come with a lot of motifs. As you can see, they're all inspired from the scripts of the Indian origins here. I'm going to give you a closer look. Look at the detailing. I'm going to give you a closer look for the detailed look. So this is how it looks. The code of this is K2. Moving on to our next one in our Kanchi Kalamkari series here. This one's come with a lovely pink border here, as you can see, with lovely figures on the sari. As you can see, the borders are all woven in the sari. It comes, they are not attached, and they are pen kalamkaris. The code of this is K3. The fall of the fabric is very, very lovely. I wish you guys could smell the fabric because it smells of pure cow ghee. As this, all the fabric of kalamkari of ours has been dipped in cow's milk. The code of this is K3. Moving on to our next one. The one that I'm showing you is an Uppada Kalamkari. As you can see, this is on Uppada fabric. See, look at the drape. It's a very, very lovely drape. The fall is very nice. It doesn't stand stiff on the body when you wear it. The code of this is K4. Kalamkari on Uppada fabric. Moving on to our next one in our Kalamkari series. The one that the model is wearing is Kalamkari on Paithani, for all of you who have joined us a bit late. Moving on to our next one in our Kalamkari series. The code of this is K5. This is how it looks. All of this is pen kalamkari. Very, very beautifully woven. This is how it looks. The code of this is K5. Moving on to our next one in our Kalamkari series. The one I'm showing you is a Tassar Kalamkari here. The code of this is K7. Look at that. This has vibrant animals on it all over. This is also a lovely pen kalamkari again. This is on Tassa. So this is a Tassa kalamkari that I'm showing you. The code of this is K7. Look at that. Isn't this amazing? Moving on to our next one in our Kalamkari series. This is on Kalamkari crepe fabric, for all of you who've been asking me for fabrics. Yeah, this is on Kalamkari crepe here. The code of this is K7. All these come in lovely earthen colors, as you can see. These are all pen kalamkaris, so they don't fade out as they're gone through a lot of processing. Moving on to our next one. All the ink of the sari is extracted from natural vegetable dyes and alum. So the smell and the feel of the fabric is very, very earthy. The code of this is K8. Look at that. Isn't this lovely? Moving on to our last one in our Kalamkari series. Kalamkari on Mangalgiri fabric, for all you cotton lovers. A very, very elegant piece here, as you can see. I'm going to give you a closer look. The code of this is K9. This is Kalamkari on Mangalgiri. This comes to our end of our Kalamkari series for today. We're going to move on to our next ones. The ones that I'm going to show you are lehriyas on Patola fabrics. A lot of you have been asking